Introducing the toilet fountain. Provides enjoyment and tranquility throughout your hectic day. Relax to the soothing sound of running water. Built-in LED illuminates the flow of water for added ambience. Comes complete with 2 wireless remotes for on-off control. Sound effects activate when the fountain is turned on, and each time the flush handle is pressed. Lid position is adjustable. Handcrafted rockwork adds a touch of class. Here's a closer look at the 3D printed parts, electronics, and fountain components. Once fully assembled, the rocks are added. Then the reservoir is filled with water. The fountain operates on AC power. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please note that the toilet fountain is not currently available for purchase.